Not a fan of writing? You're not alone. Most beginners freeze up when it's time to send emails to their list. If writing feels like pulling teeth, here is a trick. Let ChatGPT draft the email for you. Just type in this exact prompt and feel free to pause the video if you want to copy it. And you will instantly get a simple email with a tip written in a conversational style, and it even ends with a question to keep readers engaged. This is a great way to skip the blank page and get something you can send right away. But here's the thing, these are still one off emails. If you want to build a real connection and pre sell affiliate offers, you will need a more consistent system that gives you a full sequence and calendar, not just one tip at a time. That's where the AI Faceless List Builder helps. It comes with the AI Prompt Vault, over 50 proven prompts for funnels, traffic, and email copy, plus a 30-day email calendar with plug and play templates. So even if you hate writing, you will always know what to send. I've linked the AI Faceless List Builder in the description so you can check it out. On top of that, you will also get the Faceless Campaign Creator Bot, a custom AI tool that builds a full email and funnel campaign for you. And if you ever feel it's not for you, there is a 30-day money back guarantee. So, if writing has been holding you back, this takes away the pressure. Right now, it's $27 instead of the regular $67. So, if you are interested, it's worth locking in. You will find the link waiting in the description.